In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on a Confluence page. Welcome to our tutorial where we dive into the simple yet useful world of highlighting text on Confluence pages. If you've been wanting to make certain parts of your Confluence content stand out, this guide is tailor-made for you. Once you successfully log in, you'll see the Confluence dashboard. This is your jumping-off point where all the spaces, a core concept of Confluence that helps you effectively organize content, are on display. Think of spaces as containers where related pages live. It's important to identify and click on the space where the content you're targeting resides. This step is crucial for effective navigation within Confluence. Next, within your chosen space, locate the page you wish to edit. This is where the magic happens. Confluence pages are enriched with text, images, and all sorts of collaborative content. Click on the page you want to work with, and it'll open up, bringing all its contents into view for you. As you're looking at the page, turn your attention to the top right corner. There, you'll spot 3 dots aligned vertically. This is known as the More Actions button. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu with various options, one of which is Edit. Selecting Edit transitions you smoothly into the edit mode, granting you the ability to modify the content as you need. Scroll through the content until you find the specific text you wish to highlight. When you've pinpointed it, double-clicking on that text will select it, thus preparing it for the next steps. At this juncture, a new toolbar will pop up, your gateway to altering the selected text. On this toolbar, look for the comment option and give it a click. Within Confluence, the comment feature does more than just facilitate team discussions. It's a dual-purpose tool that also allows you to highlight text, serving both communication and emphasis needs. Once you've clicked on the comment, a text box will appear. This is where you can type your comments, offering insights or explaining why this text needed highlighting. This comment links directly to the highlighted text, making it a central point for collaborators to engage with. When you're done typing your comment, locate the Save button. It's usually within the comment interface, standing by to finalize your work. Clicking Save not only submits your comment, but also completes the highlighting process. And there you have it. You've successfully highlighted text on a Confluence page. Keep in mind that highlighting text in Confluence is more than just spotlighting information. It's a powerful form of direct communication and feedback within your content. The aim is to enhance collaboration as seamlessly as possible, and Confluence's highlight and comment feature is a testament to this philosophy. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With these uncomplicated steps, highlighting text on Confluence pages becomes a breeze, helping you and your team work together more effectively. Happy highlighting!